Well, hello friends out there, Rob here. Today I would like to talk to you about how to fix a broken or loose tripod socket to the Tascam Portacapture X8 and X6. Now I had been trying to fix my loose tripod socket with super glue and other things because I thought that it was just a knurled insert set into plastic, but I was wrong. Tascam actually did a good job for us here, and I'll show you what they did in just a minute. Before we get ahead, I want to talk to you about these screws. You have to take off 6 screws, and those 6 screws are hidden. 2 of them are hidden underneath a little plug up at the very top. There's a little rubber feet that you have to use to take off. Once you get those out, just by twisting them, make sure you don't break them apart. Otherwise, you have to use a pencil eraser or something to put them back in. And then we also want to be careful about these contacts because 2 of the contacts extend up from the board. So they extend from the board through the internal housing, this plastic that we're going to take off, and you could kind of break them if you're not careful. See how they stick up from the board? So just make sure that you're aware of that. The next thing we want to be aware of as we're taking this apart is that the front microphone capsules are directly wired in, and we want to lift out straight up and then tilt forwards. You're going to see kind of how we're doing that. We're tilting it towards. This whole process should be done nice and quietly and carefully. Don't go fast here. This just fits together nicely, but it does fit together on little tracks, so you got to make sure that you're watching that. So just lift it up and then tilt it forwards and you'll be good to go. Looking inside, Tascam has left quite a bit of space for us to do some work, and if we look at these tripod mounts up there, you'll see that the tripod mount itself is actually a metal insert that we can adjust or replace if we needed to. This is really great because most of the time these types of inserts, especially on the Zoom recorders, are just knurled inserts into formed plastic, which means once they break, you can't do anything about it. And I recognize that the posts holding those screws in might be knurled inserts into plastic, but hey, isn't it nice to have an actual tripod socket that we can replace that's metal? This is probably Z-Mac or something like that. I just think it's really, really nice. Now to tighten this up, it's as simple as just tightening up right here. I've already done it in preparation for this video, but I wanted you to know. Hey friends, if you're getting good content out of this video, don't forget to use my Amazon links below. It's the easiest way to say thank you. It doesn't cost you a penny, and it helps support the channel. And so there you have it, my friends. We've gone ahead and fixed the tripod socket. If yours is loose or broken, easy to replace. Feels good and solid. I hope you do too. Guys, if you like this type of video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I answer all subscriber and member comments, and I'll catch you all on the flip side. Bye for now.